We will solve the equation 4 sine squared theta plus 3 cosine theta equals 4 using the identity sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. And we will read solutions on a quick unit circle cue for speed. Step 1. Write the given equation together with the interval. Step 2. Replace sine squared theta by 1 minus cosine squared theta. Show the Pythagorean identity. Now substitute and expand. Distribute the 4. Then collect like terms to set the equation to 0. After distributing, after moving everything to one side. Step 4. Factor out cosine theta. Now each factor equals 0 gives the two cases. The two cases are cosine theta equals 0 and cosine theta equals 3/4. Write both cases clearly. Case A. Cosine theta equals 0 occurs where the x-coordinate on the unit circle is 0. That is at 90 degrees and 270 degrees only. Show the circle cue, mark the two angles, and read them. Case B, cosine theta equals 3/4 gives a reference angle whose cosine is 0.75. Compute the reference angle. Cosine is positive in quadrants 1 and 4, so plot both angles. Read the two solutions. Finally, collect all 4 angles from both cases. These are the solutions in the open interval from 0 to 360 degrees.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple, one video at a time, only on MyVerse Maths.